Well, hello there. Welcome to Gosha's Kitchen, where I share a recipe that is easy to prepare, yummy, and most of all healthy. Today I'm gonna share a soup recipe with you. It's a vegetable soup with brown rice noodles and lentils. Yum. For the soup, you will need 1 onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 1 handful of coriander, 2 cups of uncooked brown rice pasta, 1 cup of tomato paste, salt and pepper to taste, dried oregano, and olive oil for frying your veggies, 8 cups of water, and a large pot. We're gonna start by chopping the onion. So add a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of your pan, about 2 tablespoons. And we will also fry the pasta a little bit. Now lower your heat and go on to chopping your veggies. Just occasionally stir the pasta and the onion because you don't want it to burn. Salt and ground pepper and oregano. Now we're gonna turn up the heat. Let the soup boil, and in the meantime we're gonna chop the coriander. So let the soup boil. Once it starts boiling, turn the heat down and simmer for about 10 minutes. Let's see how the soup turned out. Smells good. It's good, but it needs a little bit of salt. So you can season it the way you like it. If you like this recipe, please share with your friends, subscribe to Gosha Fitness, and if you would like to see any specific recipes, please comment down below, let me know, and I will be more than happy to make a recipe just for you. Just to let you know, best fitness results come from clean eating and right amount of exercise. So also click down below and get your Kickstart guide to clean eating. It's a 3-day guide meal plan for busy people, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Oh, sorry, 1 second. I think my beans are just gonna overflow. Oh no! Oh no. Okay, I think I need to clean up this mess before I go on with this filming. Today I'm gonna share a soup recipe with you. It's super easy to prepare, well, just like any other recipe.